Hello students, today I am going to tell you about the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cuboid, right? Most of the students have confusion in total surface area and lateral surface area. One of the basic things which you need to understand that what is the total surface area? You can see there are 6 faces of this cuboid, right? So total surface area is the area of all the 6 faces, right? But if you will talk about the lateral surface area, in the lateral surface area you need to exclude its top and bottom. Just like if you are sitting in a room, if you want to find out the lateral surface area, you will find out the area of only 4 walls, right? But if you want to find out the total surface area, then you have to find out the area of the 4 walls and roof and top also, right? So this is the main difference between the total surface area and lateral surface area, right? Total surface area is what? That is the area of all the surfaces of any 3D shape, right? And lateral surface area is, what is the lateral surface area? That is, we have to exclude the top and bottom part of any 3D shape, right? This is what you need to find out, right? Now you can see, if you want to find out the total surface area of the cuboid, it has the 6 faces, top plus bottom, right? Then it's a left side and right side. Got it? They have the same dimensions, left side, right side, top, bottom, they have the same dimensions. And then you have top, bottom, left, right, front and back, right? Front plus back. Okay. Now if you will see this figure over here, front side is what? L times H. First you need to consider top part, bottom part and top part having the same dimensions, right? This is LB, right? So its value is what? Then you will find out the area of the bottom and top. Area of the top is what? That's L multiplied with B. So that means LB plus bottom part will also be same, LB plus left hand side is what? That is this part, right? So that is what? That is BH plus BH, right? And then you have the front and back. Front part you can see that is HL plus HL, right? You can see that every length and breadth is coming twice, breadth and height is coming twice, and then height and length is coming twice, right? So that means it's equal to 2 times LB plus BH 2 times plus 2 times HL. So basically it's a formula will become 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. So this is its formula for the total surface area. Now if you want to find out the lateral surface area, you will exclude its top and bottom. So this part will be excluded from it. Now the lateral surface area will become, that will be 2 times BH plus 2 times HL, right? So that will be equal to 2, H will be common in it, and the answer is L plus B. So this is the formula for the lateral surface area of the cuboid, right? So similarly, if you have any another figure, just like I'm going to take over here, let's take a cylinder, right? If you will take a cylinder, in cylinder you can see over here, if you want to find out its total surface area, right? You should know that how you can form a cylinder. Cylinder is basically when you will fold a rectangle, right? Then it will become a cylinder, right? So when you will fold this, just like if I have this page of paper over here, suppose, right? So this paper, this is rectangular, when you will fold it, it will become a cylinder like this, right? Okay. So basically in this way it will become a cylinder, right? So if you will consider its length, what will be the length of the cylinder? That is the circumference of the circle. So that is equal to 2 pi r, right? And what is this side? That is the height of the cylinder, right? Is it clear? Now, if you want to find out the total surface area of this cylinder, there is 3 parts of it, 1, 2 and 3. The top part is what? Pi r square, that is the top part, that is the that is what? That is the circle. And top and bottom part having the same dimension, this is also what? This is also pi r square. Now what is the area of the middle part, which is a curved part? You can see L times B, that is the area of rectangle, right? Similarly, you can multiply 2 pi r with h, that is equal to 2 pi r h, right? Now it has a three faces of a cylinder, so total surface area of cylinder is what? That is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now take 2 pi r common in it. So what is the value of it? R plus h. So 2 pi r into r plus h is the total surface area of the cylinder. If you want to find out the lateral surface area of cylinder, that will be equal to only the middle part of it, because in the lateral surface area we have to exclude the top and bottom part of it, right? So that is equal to only 2 pi r h. Okay. So in this way you can find out the total surface area of any 3D shape and lateral surface area of any shape. So if you want to find out, suppose if you want to find out the total surface area and lateral surface area of a cone. So in the cone you can see this, it's a curved part of it. So that is equal to pi rl, right? And the bottom part is what? That's pi r square, right? If you want to find out the total surface area of cone, that will be equal to pi rl plus pi r square, right? So take pi r common in it, so that is L plus R. So this is its formula for the total surface area. If you want to find the curved surface area of cone, that will be equal to pi r L only, right? So this is the thing you need to keep in your mind. Similarly, if there is cube, right? In the cube, all the 6 faces of cube is what? That is same, right? All the 6 faces of a cube is same dimensions, right? All the 6 faces of a cube are what? That is a square, right? So if you want to find the total surface area of cube, that means this is L, is all sides are same. So that is equal to, and how many faces are there of a cube? That there are 6 faces in it. So that is equal to 6 S square or L square, right? Right now I took the value of the side is L. So that is L square, because the area of the one part is what? That's L square. Area of one face is equal to L square. So area of total surface area of the cube is what? That's equal to 6L square. Similarly, if you want to find out the lateral surface area of the cube, that is equal to 4L square, because in this also you need to exclude the bottom and top part of it, right? So what else is left? Cube we have done, cuboid we have done, cylinder and cone we have done, right? So if the next shape we'll do in the next lecture. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.